Yeah,
Three blind mice do sofas. Look at that. How many brake horsepower it's got?
Enough.
It's a pretty thing.
This, you see, this is like the perfect garage. I mean, imagine if that was your garage. Hi! Hello, welcome to the Bicester Heritage Scramble.
The Bicester Heritage Scramble. Today we're here and we're going to make this quick. We're going to be more or less packing the whole day into a bite-sized nugget for you to just get what goes on at this place. Like,
yeah, we are here again with StarterMotor. Massive thanks to those. We've got the Riley on their stand over there, we'll show you that. But yeah,
and in inverted commas, we've been given free reign to film whatever we like, which is the craziest thing. So let's go around and show you some cars.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is literally just wander. Do you want to tell me what that is, being as you're a man of Land Rovers?
Yeah. Well, the first thing is actually brand new. I know it's the whole point of this place is heritage, and we'll get onto that because we love that. But the whole point of this is it's brand new. So this is a Defender 110 trophy. But yes, this came out. This is one of the Land Rover like special projects. It's got a V8 engine, which it normally wouldn't have, and it cost, I think, about 175 grand. Just a lot, but I do want it.
Yes.
This is a 1937 Jaguar SS100.
Oh, it's any car that has a big sweeping thing on the side.
Yes.
And big bug eyes. I mean, like, look at the size of the headlights. And you can be guaranteed that that is like a glowworm in a jam jar.
Yeah, these won't be as good as they look.
Your cigarette lighter in your will work
if we
better.
go from one pair of headlights to another pair of headlights, look, check out the headlights on the back.
Big.
They're even bigger. Look.
Unreal.
It's like the size of
Don't kick it.
I didn't kick it. The best thing to do here is exactly what we are doing. We've both got a GoPro each, and we're literally just going to wander around and film to try and give you some sort of real sort of experience of what it's like.
My entire car's wheel, including the tyre, could probably fit in this one section. And it's wood. It's like a bed frame.
We're here to like learn about it.
Absolutely. Let's rock and roll. Let's go have a look at this.
Yeah, let's go and have a look at
We
this.
can just leave this running.
Yes,
and
honestly,
just go.
Honestly, let's just leave it running and walk and talk. So there's a beautiful 308 GTS just here. Look at that, which is Quattrovalve. That's the special one. That's the one you want. 4 valve.
And Quattrovalve, is it because it's got 4 things at the back?
4 valves per cylinder.
Oh, technical terms. Look at that! Have you ever seen?
Have you seen anything quite as long?
I swear to God, that's about 6 meters long.
Look.
So I'm looking at its front on. What's in it? This is a 1930 Hotchkiss Brooklands.
So this would have gone flat out round Brooklands.
500-mile race. 6th place with an average of 112 including 4 pit stops. I don't know what that means.
Imagine doing 100.
Hang on,
it's
I
off
just
centre.
realised it's off centre. Have you ever? Oh wow.
Imagine doing 112 miles an hour average in that.
And it's not even aligned. Is that a passenger seat for someone else?
Yeah.
It is. Check it out. Look at that. That is so cool.
Amazing.
Does it talk? No way.
Oh, does it talk?
You got the music and everything.
It talks in Hindi.
I used to have a model car of that very car. Same colour, same wheels. I wasn't a nerd.
It is.
Oh, look at that. Crisscross stitch. And, have you seen a cooler car to go skiing in? Look at that. Ah, there you go. So today, StarterMotor, it's all StarterMotor Starter. They're amazing people. Today, they basically gave anyone they deemed worthy a golden ticket on the door. So if they thought the car was cool, and they could park within the little vicinity. So if you have a cool car and you're coming to the next scramble, whenever that is, dress nicely, bring a nice car, and you could be on the lawn for free. Look at that. That's
What the hell was
so
that?
loud. That was so loud.
What the hell was that?
That was so loud. That's why I screamed like an infant.
That wasn't the drag car, was it?
I don't know, it could be because that was silly loud.
They've got one of the top fuel drag cars here.
There's a reason everyone is f***ing hell. Sorry. Many hell.
Bloody.
That's so loud. And we're behind a building.
Yeah, that was. I don't know how that's not really doing it justice on camera. That was so loud.
Oh my
it is.
God.
It's a top fuel drag car. It's over there, and I'm having to shout.
Oh. How were people stood that close?
I don't know.
Like, it's even getting a round of applause. It was that loud.
I don't know that much about. Oh, I'm going to use my best library voice again now, because now we're in the Morgan. Yes. Doff your hats.
They're finished so nicely as
Yeah,
well.
I know, they are beautiful. And outside, they've got...
Oh, look at that Chesterfield. I mean, I know we like cars.
The sofa content.
Sofa stuff.
Yeah,
Three Blind Mice do sofas. How many brake horsepower it's got?
Enough.
It's pretty thin.
This, you see, this is like the perfect garage. I mean, imagine if that was your garage. Oh, that's the dream, isn't it?
It is the dream. We're looking here. Oh. Many people.
Going in for auction
And they asked me to take it around the track.
Sorry?
No, they didn't. We'd love to work with these guys.
Yeah, they did
at
actually
some
give us a follow the other day.
And
Thank you very
I
much.
think my favourite classic car.
Classic Performance Engineering, they're called. Oh, yeah.
I think this is my favourite classic car. Look at that. So nice. So what we're going to do now is go set a GoPro up, or two GoPros up, in the StarterMotor cars. I think we're going to take some young people, whoever they may be,
For a drive.
shotgun the Porsche.
StarterMotor is all about getting younger generations into older cars, and this is when they handed us the keys to their Porsche 924 and their Audi TT, and we took two young lads around the campus, and it was a great experience. As we got out of the car, both parents donated to the charity. One of the young lads said his favourite manufacturer was Subaru and his hero was Colin McRae, so pretty cool as far as we're concerned. Anyway, let's get back to the scramble.
So this is like if everything goes to plan, the stars align and everything is brilliant. We might be able to drive this at some point. Hang on, and the reveal. Look at that. A tool shed replica of an F1 car that won the Australian Grand Prix in 1954. And we can drive it. Look where the gear stick is.
to be able to go and do well.
Between your legs.
You could do VSCC.
Crazy. And then the clutch is on the other side to where the accelerator and the brake are. So very, very cool. Where's the most outrageous place we could take that? Within reason, obviously. Not France. But
Well, just halfway down the road, to be honest.
maybe suggest. If anyone would like to suggest what you want to do
Yeah,
with
if anybody wants to... No, actually, no, don't let the audience
it.
suggest.
Reaching out to the online Three
Take
Blind
it
Mice
to
community.
Yeah, so... I mean, I'm not being funny, but because, thanks to StarterMotor, we genuinely...
We wouldn't be doing this otherwise.
wouldn't be doing this, and we could actually be driving that at some point
At
soon.
some point.
Or when I say driving it,
We should go see the-
piloting it.
They probably don't know. Should we go down and see the Wonka van?
Oh, yes.
Is it still parked over there?
Probably.
Right, should we go have a look?
Yes. Good morning, Starshine. The Earth says hello, and I should tell you why. So, on the StarterMotor, actually, this is one of theirs. So
We can drive.
we can drive it, and this is actually from the Tim
film.
Burton film. So-
It's not a fake.
No, it's the real deal.
Look at that.
Wow.
And we can go deliver chocolate to the good people of Bicester.
Yes. So yes.
How cool is that? And there's also a bike.
Yeah, they've got
So
one
they have the, you know, the little bike that the Oompa Loompas went out and gave all the...
like posters, I think, or something.
Yeah, they posted it up and saying, you may win a golden ticket. we're going to drive. I don't have a bike license, neither does he, but we're going to do it. I will get on the bike. There's no way I'm not getting on the bike, but how cool is that? Actual Wonka van from the film.
I'm not.
Yeah. Laugh. Clap.
We thought we'd wrap it up here, next to this. Oh, this.
Yeah.
This is a well.
We genuinely don't know what we filmed today. Like, we've been running around like madmen with a GoPro, and we hope that we've captured like everything that's been going on here.
Yeah. We literally pressed record on the GoPro and just ran around for half an hour.
And hopefully we've sort of captured the essence of how cool these scrambles are.
Yeah.
Come to a Bicester Heritage Scramble. If you like cars,
Yeah.
come to one of these.
Yeah.
So cool.
Come to Bicester Heritage Scramble, and we've got to thank StarterMotor for having the car on, and like,
Bicester Heritage for allowing us to film.
Yeah.
Blue Diamond, so all the people that we've been working with up here.
Yeah.
Just thank you for letting us film around and poke around our nosy little faces.
Yeah. So
Thank you for watching.
we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.